How to learn JavaScript in 2026 and land your first developer job. In 2026, learning JavaScript is not about watching endless tutorials. It is about learning the right skills, in the right order, with the right mindset. Many people start learning JavaScript with big dreams, but after a few months they feel lost, overwhelmed, and confused. In this video, I will show you exactly how to learn JavaScript in 2026 step by step and how to prepare yourself for your first developer job. No hype, no unnecessary tools, just a clear and realistic roadmap. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to learn everything at once. Frameworks, libraries, advanced concepts. But even in 2026, companies still hire developers who understand the basics very well. You should focus on core JavaScript first. Not React, not Node, just JavaScript. Learn how variables work, understand functions, master conditions and loops, and most importantly, understand how JavaScript thinks. If you skip the fundamentals, everything else will feel confusing later. Watching tutorials is easy, practicing is hard. But practice is where real learning happens. In 2026, you should not just copy code. You should break things, fix errors, and solve small problems every day. Start with simple challenges. Build small projects, even if they look ugly at first. A calculator, a to-do list, a simple interactive page. These small projects teach you more than hours of passive watching. JavaScript has changed a lot over the years. In 2026, you must understand modern JavaScript. This includes arrow functions, async and await, modules, and basic array methods. You do not need to memorize everything. You need to understand how and when to use these features. Modern JavaScript helps you write cleaner code, read other people's code, and work effectively in real teams. This is the level of JavaScript companies expect today. If you want your first developer job, projects matter more than certificates. Companies want proof, not promises. Build projects that solve real problems, not just tutorial clones. For example, build a small dashboard, a simple application that uses an API, or a real form with proper validation. Upload your projects to GitHub. Write a clear README file. Explain what you built and why you built it. Your projects are your real resume. Getting your first developer job is not about being perfect. It is about being ready. In 2026, junior developers are expected to understand JavaScript basics, read documentation, learn quickly, and communicate clearly. Apply for jobs even if you feel not ready yet. Everyone feels that way at the beginning. Keep learning, keep building, and improve one step at a time. If you stay consistent, JavaScript can change your career and your future. If you want more JavaScript tutorials like this, subscribe to the channel. New videos will help you learn step by step, without confusion and without wasting time.